Yo, what it do? It's Line of Old Treats. Back here with another video. And is it just me? Like, I'm looking at the charts here left and right. You know, I'm looking at MEGL, HKD, MGA. You know, just other stocks that have been crazy shorted after their big run. And now they're all showing a sign, a blip of life. And it's not only just that, but the MAs are just curling up. I mean, MULLEN, holy mother. This is just like, what was the volume on this? Compared to yesterday's volume, 209 million, 210 million basically. Doubled, more than doubled. 542 million shares. Ooh, something is brewing. I'm not even gonna come into conclusions, but listen, this thing is looking ready to go. And all it takes is for the 9 MA, the 21 MA cross over the 50 and get things started. Where the heck is the 200 at? Oh, damn, it's always still up here. Back at $1.37. That's, I mean, I don't know. But, sheesh. First, we gotta break over. If I say, alright, we broke over this resistance, like at 40 cents, over 45. Next one would have to be 60, 62. And after that, the next one would have to be 90 to $1. And from the weight this has been running, I mean, look at the setup here. I'm gonna show you the 15-minute. Okay, stop going crazy. Let me just show the setup on this. Ever since this thing was trading at 20 cents, and it started to just all curl up. Look from here. Look at this. The setup, man. Nasty. The same thing is happening on the daily chart like I showed you. Look, the same scenario here. And it just kept going. Look at this. Higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher. Let's keep going. Higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Where's the limit? Where is the limit? Now, I mean, don't get me wrong. It could pull back. It has to pull back at least a little bit. Some healthy pullback right here, you know? Like, at least like back to what, 39, 38 cents? 35 to 38. And then another higher high, higher high, high. I'm being stupid right now. But the setups, man, this setups is beautiful. I really hope it does continue. I really hope that it comes to a point where it triggers a squeeze. The shorts won't have anything else to do to revert this back to where it was. Man, that's just me. That's my opinion, you know. Allegedly, that's what would happen, right? But what else happened? Was there something that was released? I think, if I'm not mistaken, hold up. Save your calendar. Hold on. MULLEN. Save. No, was it January 24th? Yeah, this 6 hours ago. No, hold on. Oh, yeah, there's a couple of websites that posted this too as well. Yeah, let's go to Investor Place, even though I'm not really a huge fan and whatever. But so it says here, dear MULLEN stock fans, mark your calendars for January 24th. MULLEN stock investors should keep their eyes on this catalyst. So an upcoming securities purchase agreement for preferred shares on January 24th also appears to be on investors' radar today. Is this why? Is this why MULLEN has been going nuts? Could be. Also, to mention the cost to borrow, some articles have been saying that the cost to borrow had been over 800% max. And that's just the max, I believe. If not, it's probably the whole thing. But, usually you would have to go through your brokers to find out exactly. But I will show you, for example, what it says right now on Fintel. I'm not signed up for this, so I could just only look at a good sample of it. 10 minutes ago, reporting no short shares available. 14 hours ago. Good sign. And wow. So it was at a minimum to max of 742%. And this thing dropped like crazy. Reported 10 minutes ago back to 116%. Interesting. Short volume ratio 52% as of today. That is bananas. So, let's see. While the company's cost to borrow has come down to only 80% as of yesterday, it's clear that retail traders are not out of the game yet. Interest remains high around this stock, which is now down more than 90%, and that's after today's rise. I believe that. So that said, there's another big catalyst on the horizon. As Investor Place assistant news writer Eddie Pan pointed out in a recent piece, there's a $90 million potential catalyst on the horizon from MULLEN. As it so happens, this catalyst is set to take place in less than 3 weeks. I'm not going to get into it. I just wanted to show you the technicals of it, the chart, to show you how crazy this is. Man. But, but like I said before, we need a small pullback. It's still overbought. At least if we want to go back to like 38 cents to reset the RSI, 38 to 40 cents. Yeah, around that range, 36, 38. And then perhaps another leg up. I don't know. But it would be darn hella sexy to see more higher highs. Just like how it's been doing for the past couple of days. Oh, man. But yeah, that's just my take on it. What's going on the weekly chart? Hold on. Right before I let you guys go, I want to see the weekly chart. All right. I want to see the weekly chart a little bit. Yeah. Look at that. Even on the weekly, even on the weekly, this thing is slowly curling up to the upside. It wants to cross the 21 MA. That is bullish. So we have one nice weekly bullish candle just to end the week. Just imagine, just think about the next one afterwards. And the RSI is still oversold in the way, and it's just curling up. Look at that. Has all this room to run up. And on the weekly, the last time this thing was, hold on, pause. Daily chart. All right, hold on. Got you right now, hold on. Right here. Last time, this was at 91 on the RSI on the weekly. This was at $20. And mind you, MULLEN hasn't been through a reverse split, any of that nature. It's just been hella shorted through some BS and all other elements of that nature, based off from what I've seen. From what I've seen the stock go through, which is nuts. But that's just my opinion. And again, that's just my take on it. Take it with a grain of salt. But MULLEN is sexy. And you know what? Perhaps I see the potential. Perhaps I see the future with MULLEN. I don't know if you guys agree. But who knows? Could it be a big potential competitor against Tesla? I think the MULLEN 5 is sexy too, in my own opinion. But if you guys have your own opinions, you can comment down, share below. Tell me what you think. If you're excited of what MULLEN is doing, if you're excited what the stock is doing in general, let me know. And that will be it for this video. I appreciate you listening. I appreciate you hanging out with me, looking at this. And just stay tuned. Freaky Friday is coming. We're going to get freaky. It's payday. Ooh, you know what that means. But I'm going to leave it at that. Oof, I can't wait to see what happens in the next week. Good. Anyways, let me not go crazy here. Happy Friday to all. Good luck tomorrow in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this. And I'll be seeing you in the next line of all trades.